Hello guys, I'll be drinking strawberry watermelon prime. Right here. Ugh. So flip it upside down. I have to show you the strawberry watermelon. I'm going to be having this prime flavour. I'm going to rate it, what it tastes like, and then what it doesn't.
Oh, fuck's sake, you're annoying the crap out of me, mate.
Weird. Just more watermelon.